Hello, it's John Neal here. It's Tuesday the 7th of January 2025 and sorry, the audio broke down on me at this point. The day after the video about the big floods, and I'm really surprised because I'm here at Weddington Walk and look, there's people over there walking across which was underwater yesterday. I mean, there's still a fair amount here and over here, look, but otherwise it has drained away. And the river Anker, yeah, as you can see, it's pretty full, but not too bad. And the other way, there you go. I thought I'd come out again today because the sun was shining, although that has gone past now. And I thought I'd have another look at the floods in the fields around the river Anker. This time closer towards Chalkboard, which is over that way. Somebody said that they were quite spectacular. But it appears that much of it has moved on. I mean, the river is very full here. Look at this. So, nevertheless, I'm going to make my way over here on the Weddington Walk, the old railway line, which is a good position to fly the drone over towards Chalkboard. These new houses have been built on what was just fields, and somebody was suggesting that the flooding might be caused by the extra housing. Not so sure about that, to be honest, but this is a water retention pond. They've got a special name, I forgot what it is. But anyway, it doesn't seem to be particularly full. Maybe it's doing its job. A couple of local residents have now assured me this water retention pond, look, was higher than this. You can see where the reeds have a mark above them. But yeah, so this is here to contain a lot of the water that might damage the houses. But it seems to have done its job. These flooded fields on the right hand side towards Weddington Road and Chalkboard Hall were the ones I wanted to look at. Despite being tarmacked, there's a lot of debris here, but look at all these squirrels as well on the left hand side. These old concrete railway conduit covers look like they've been arranged for some sort of gathering. I wonder if it's the teddy bear's picnic. I need to take a route through these trees on the right hand side so I can get a bit closer to the flooded fields over towards Chalkboard. I eventually found a clearing in the trees to get the drone up, and yeah, you can clearly see the river Anker separate from the floodplain, but you can see where the dark patches on the field and the water that's still there shows the extent that the flooding took place. Quite attractive, this little bridge, look. Here we can clearly see the track of the new sewer line that they're putting in from Hinckley to Hartshill, and this section is a big concrete pipe that's making its way all the way down to the sewage works at Hartshill. Now looking back towards the Weddington Walkway, the extent of the flooding round the river is fairly obvious. But much of it is gone now. That'll do then. Thank you very much for watching this. I'll sign off here. I have to say, I'm disappointed. Everything's changed. Yesterday it was completely flooded and so much of the water has disappeared now. And the sun was shining and now it's cloudy. So I think we best call it a day. And yeah, know what? You will see me next time. Okay, bye-bye.